channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spicy pinto bean dish with a side of cilantro lime rice and some fried bananas. So first we're going to get the brown rice ready, and then I'll show you what else to do. Okay, so for the fried bananas, I turned on the oil to heat it up on high and forgot to turn it back down when I put the bananas in there. So don't make that mistake. Make sure you turn it down to medium heat. And they should be nice and crispy, like this one right here, not like these, before you flip them over. So just a little tip, remember to turn the heat down. Y'all, let me know what you think of this dish. It is a little bit spicy, so if you do not like spice, instead of the jalapenos that I used, I would just substitute that for like a green bell pepper to give it a little bit of flavor. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.